If you need a voided check for direct deposit, Chase makes it easy, no paper checks required. Instead of a traditional voided check, Chase provides a digital direct deposit form that includes the same essential banking details. Start by opening the Chase mobile app and logging in. Select your checking account from the home screen, then tap Manage Account or Account Services. From there, choose Set up Direct Deposit. Chase will instantly generate a pre-filled form containing your routing number, and account holder information. You can download this form, print it, or securely share it electronically with your employer or any organization that needs your banking details. If you don't use the app, you can access the same option by logging into chase.com and following the same account services path. You can also request help through Chase customer support or visit a branch, though those options may take extra time. This digital form works exactly like a voided check for payroll, benefits, or automatic payments, just without the risk of losing a paper check.